Hola, Namaste, hello everyone. My name is Akanshu Rahel and welcome to my channel Study Spanish. In this video, you will learn days of the week. In Spanish, we say días de la semana. Días de la semana. So, let's get started. Lunes. Lunes is Monday. Martes. Martes is Tuesday. Miércoles is Wednesday. Jueves is Thursday. Viernes is Friday. Sábado is Saturday. Domingo is Sunday. Let's practice. ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? What day it is today? ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es sábado. Hoy es sábado. Today is Saturday. Mañana means tomorrow. Mañana es domingo. Tomorrow is Sunday. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Gracias.